Hello everyone, time for another Elden Ring tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to beat the Onyx Lord in the Royal Grave Evergaol. And first of all, I'm going to just take a moment to appreciate the scenery. This is one of the coolest locations for just kind of looking around and enjoying the art that is Elden Ring. And here is the Royal Grave Evergaol location. Here on the map, if I zoom out here, you can see where it is at in the area, kind of the northern part. And then I'm going to go ahead and enter the jail. And then I am not going to use any summons for this battle. He's pretty easy. I'm going to use my little wondrous physic. And then I'm going to add a little bit of fire to my blade, fire grease action. And I'm just going to run right up towards him, just run right into him, and I'm not going to dodge him or anything. I'm just going to start whacking him with my heavy attacks. Just keep going at him with the heavy attacks. And then eventually you can stagger him and then whack him. I think he only gets one hit on me. And then there he goes, down pretty easy. Hopefully this technique helps you out. Let me know in the comments. Take care, everyone, and happy gaming.